Hey there, website newbies. Ready to embark on an exciting journey? Want to build a website but don't know where to start? Feeling a bit lost in the digital wilderness? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many have been in your shoes. It's like trying to make a PB&J sandwich with no peanut butter. Tricky, right? Frustrating and messy. That's where website builders come in. They simplify the process, making it accessible to everyone. They're like your friendly neighborhood superheroes here to save the day and your sanity. No more headaches. These awesome tools make creating a website as easy as pie. But hold on, there's more to consider. Choosing the right website builder is super important. It's a crucial step in your journey. It's like picking your dance partner for a big competition. You want someone who can keep up with you. So buckle up, Buttercup. Get ready for an adventure. We're about to dive into the world of Wix and Weebly, two of the biggest names in the game. Which one will be your perfect match? Get ready for some fun facts, friendly comparisons, and maybe even a few laughs along the way. Let's make this journey enjoyable and informative. First up, we've got Wix, the life of the party. It's vibrant, fun, and full of energy, just like your favorite celebration. Wix is super easy to use, even if you're just starting out. Its intuitive interface makes it a breeze to navigate. It's like learning to ride a bike with training wheels, smooth and simple. You'll be up and running in no time. Plus, they've got tons of cool templates to choose from. Whether you want something sleek and modern or fun and quirky, Wix has it all. Next, we've got Weebly, the reliable friend you can always count on. It's dependable and always there when you need it. Weebly is known for being super affordable. It's perfect for those on a budget but still wanting quality. They've got a free plan that's perfect for dipping your toes in the water. You can try it out without any commitment. But what about the features, you ask? Both platforms offer a robust set of tools. Don't worry, both Wix and Weebly have you covered. From SEO tools to e-commerce capabilities, they've got it all. They've got all the bells and whistles you need to build a fantastic website. Customization options are endless. It's like having a toolbox full of goodies. Exciting, right? You'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Hold on to your hats, folks, because Wix is crazy popular. We're talking millions and millions of users worldwide. It's like having a party with everyone you've ever met, and then some. Why all the hype? Well, Wix is known for its drag-and-drop editor, which is as easy as playing with building blocks. Plus, they've got a massive app market where you can add all sorts of cool features to your website. Section 4. Special skills. What makes them stand out? Now let's talk about what makes each platform unique. It's like discovering your hidden talents. Everyone has something special. Wix is all about giving you creative freedom. You can customize your website to your heart's content. It's like having a blank canvas and a box of crayons. The possibilities are endless. Weebly, on the other hand, is all about being user-friendly and straightforward. They've got a really intuitive interface that's perfect for beginners. It's like having a friendly tour guide showing you around a new city. No getting lost here. Section 5, and the winner is, drumroll please. So who comes out on top in this epic showdown? The anticipation is palpable and everyone is on the edge of their seats. It's a tough one, folks. The decision isn't easy and the stakes are high. It's like trying to choose between pizza and ice cream, both delicious but in different ways. Each has its own unique appeal and charm. If you're looking for ultimate creative freedom and don't mind spending a little extra, Wix is the way to go. It offers a plethora of design options and flexibility. But if you're on a tight budget and want something super easy to use, Weebly is your new best friend. Its simplicity and affordability make it a great choice. The most important thing is to choose the platform that feels right for you. Consider your needs, your budget, and your long-term goals. It's like finding the perfect pair of shoes. It's gotta fit just right. Comfort and style both matter. So go ahead, give them both a try and see which one makes your website dreams come true. Experiment, explore, and find your perfect match.